Hello and a warm welcome to Career Site Manager, or CSM as we popularly call it. This is the first of many videos that we'll come out with to help you understand CSM better and use its many features to dramatically streamline your entire recruitment process. Our first video will focus on helping you track your open positions effectively in CSM through the concepts of requirements. Let us first log into CSM. Provide the username, password and click on the login button. You are now redirected to a page where you can see all the open requirements and positions that you're working on. This is called the requirement listing page, as you can see here. If you want to create a new requirement to track your open position, you just have to click add a new requirement from the navigation bar here or on the button here. But what is this requirement that we talk about? Every recruiter is provided with a hiring mandate. The recruiter has to find the right candidates to fill vacant positions. The hiring mandate may be for his own organization or for a client that he is working for. The hiring mandate in CSM is called a requirement. Let's say the hiring mandate is for a senior marketing manager for a firm based out of Delhi. The position requires an experience of 4 to 6 years and the expected salary on offer is 13 to 15 lakhs. To fulfill this mandate or requirement, the recruiter will try to collect profiles of suitable candidates from as many sources as possible. The best way to get applications is by posting jobs. When a requirement or mandate is posted on an external platform for candidates to apply, it is called a job. Therefore, a job is just one of the many sources through which a recruiter fulfills his hiring mandate or his requirements. Recruiters commonly post jobs on Naukri, their own career site on the web, and other known job boards. They also share jobs on social media from where interested candidates can apply. Recruiters also use profiles that are already available with them in their own private database, and some of them even source CVs from vendors who hire on their behalf. Recruiters also often obtain CVs from their emails. In short, recruiters use multiple sources to get the necessary profiles to fulfill their hiring mandate. It therefore becomes absolutely essential to manage all this data obtained from all sources in one location centrally. The concept of requirement in CSM helps recruiters manage their hiring mandates very effectively. The requirement is a collection of all sourcing activities for a mandate. It groups and tracks all candidate profiles that have been collected for the mandate. Recruiters then use CSM smart filters and collaboration tools on the requirement to pipeline candidates and close the mandate appropriately. Let us add a new requirement. We are redirected to the requirement creation page where we have to fill all the details which are necessary for the requirement. The first is the requirement title, which has to be unique so that you can track it easily. Let us create a requirement. Let us call this the marketing manager for the Delhi head office so that we can track it easily. Since jobs are an effective source for getting a large number of applications, CSM allows you to post your requirements as jobs on Naukri and your own career site. However, even before you start posting a job on any external platform, the most important thing that you need to do is to properly outline the job details. The right job title, job description, and keywords should be provided for your requirement. This is absolutely crucial for any job because providing the right info ensures that the job ranks highly on Google and other search engines. So when you begin posting the info for the job, the first thing is the job title, and it is very important to have effective job titles. It is crucial to think like job seekers, understand what words they would use to search for the job on Google and other search engines if they were looking for the kind of job that you just advertised. Using terms that job seekers actually use to search greatly increases chances of them coming up prominently in Google and other search results. Keyword terms in the job title also ensure that they get noticed better. Hence, we take an example. If you are looking for a finance person in a senior role, writing something very generic like a finance module specialist in a senior role is not correct because there are no keyword terms here. Instead, if you just use the term by which job seeker will try to search for, a senior financial consultant, this is a valid job title and has keywords in it. Adding a key skill to a job makes it even more relevant. So if you are looking for something like a team lead to lead your technical team, if you write tech team lead as your job title. It is not correct because there are no key skills here. Instead, write it as a lead Java developer. A Java developer who wants a new job will look for these key skills when he searches, so this will have better relevance for you. Next, job title should not be in the form of cryptic sentences or questions. Should never ask a question as a job title to make it sound very good and appealing to the job seeker, because then you miss out on coming up prominently in searches. So something like looking for an awesome product role with a market leader, should avoid using these kind of job titles. Instead, should just simply write this as a senior product manager, because this is eventually the job that you're looking for. All the other details can be provided in the job description. Having a very good job description is highly important for the success of your job posting. The first few lines should cover the role, repeat the job title, the location, the key skills to get the maximum benefit of SEO. Also, these should be in the form of well-constructed sentences rather than just listing down all relevant keywords, because Google and other search engines consider this as keyword spamming. The key phrases that relate to your job should make up at least 5-10% of the job description content. So a good example for giving a job would be, we are looking for a dynamic product manager with experience in the recruitment industry to join our team in the Delhi office. So we cover keywords like dynamic, we've covered job title, product manager, we've covered recruitment as a keyword, we've covered the Delhi as the location. And so this is a very good way of starting off your entire job description. You can further add company details later. So when we did this, the keywords automatically picked up dynamic and product management. It is important to have the right keywords because this is how job seekers will search for your jobs on Google and other search engines. So think carefully and add all the related keywords before proceeding. So I could add product development, I could add product marketing, I could add recruitment, and then proceed. To complete the other fields, add the CTC that you're looking for, add the work experience in the candidate that you're looking for, add the location that you're hiring for, and now you are set to create the requirement. Click on add requirement and you would have created this requirement to track your position. This brings us to an end to today's session. Log on to your CSM account and start creating requirements. In the next session, we will cover the posting of requirements. Meantime, in case of any queries, do contact us. Thank you.